Alright, so this was supposed to be a how-to to use the Harbor Freight windshield cutter, but we're done with that. We're using power. Alright guys, so we're crunching on with the Ranger, doing some much needed things. No more race car than having hood pins to hold the hood on. Went ahead and stuck the fender up there to make sure that's where I wanted my hood pins to go. But we are attempting to cut the windshield out of this truck. Probably the least favorite thing that we're gonna have to do. So gonna throw you on a time lapse and we're gonna battle this windshield. It's already cracked. I guess I did that just now, but I took a drill and I screwed up this corner, but I drilled a hole to get this wire, and we're using the Harbor Freight special to cut it out. It comes with those two handles and the wire, so let's figure this out. So we got our wire run through our fancy Harbor Freight handles, and is it cutting anything? All right, so it comes with this little tool right here to feed the wire up through the rubber or glue that holds it on. And we've got it started. And you just slowly work along there. And it'll cut as it goes. So I'm gonna throw this on a time lapse and get on the inside. Is it cutting? Oh yeah, it's cutting. So it does work, but any kind of way to remove a windshield is a pain in the butt. When I stuck the wire through, we shattered it here and tried in that corner. So we'll see. Hopefully we can get it cut out. All right, so this was supposed to be a how-to to use the Harbor Freight windshield cutter, but we're done with that. We're using power.
I can use a smaller rope to go through that.
You got one?
We'll find something.
It should go through that, shouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so the new way of removing a windshield, got this nice 2x4 and a piece of rope. There we go. Piece of rope. And what you're gonna do, feed the rope through the windshield, like so. Take your 2x4, feed it through there. Take your hammer, stick it through the loop in the rope. This is not gonna be good. Oh yeah, perfect. Eh? Yeah, pull the rope tight, like so. Then we run the rope out here. Then you go get those high-powered Dodge Dakota. The door don't open. Everything's a race truck. Oh. Alright, so this is the proper way. Your windshields. You got it going? So that is how you use the Harbor Freight windshield removal tool. Is you work really hard till you tire out, and then you get fed up and you knock a hole in it and you hook a rope to your high-powered Dodge Dakota. 2x4, windshield out. So like, subscribe, follow along for more in-depth car detail videos, and we'll get back to building a race truck. And we'll see y'all January 17th at the Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida, with this beauty wrapped and rubbing paint with JH Diesel. That's what I'm going there for, is Justin. I'm gonna make sure that me and him swap some paint. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.